Hey all, welcome to my Minecraft tutorial. This is how to build a airplane. Okay, so let's continue. I'll show you how to build this and how it actually moves. First, let's just go into the engine room of my first one that I built. Looks like that's out. Sorry. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Okay, so every time that timer goes around and clicks on that, it turns on that, which sends that backwards and moves all the frames. Some people were like, it's not moving, so I'm going to prove that it actually is moving. Hey, go, go. See, look. Oh, what? Ain't right. I have the timer going really slow now. See, look. It moved. Really. So you can set the timer to go a lot quicker. I have mine going real slow. So every time it hits that, it'll move. So yeah, I have it set slow so I can build. See, it moved. Now I'm going to show you how to build one. Okay, let's build it very far off here. Yeah, it's about right. Okay. Build 3 by 5. Or should we do 5 by 5? I'll just do 5 by 5. That's just easier because then you can move around. Well, it doesn't matter at all, but okay. So now that you have this, so you don't fall off the edges when it starts moving, I'm just going to build a little barrier. And it has to be made out of frames, or else it won't work. Okay. So first, build 2 up, delete that block, fall down, get the frame motor, stick it. I want to go that way, so get sonic screwdriver, and then right click it till it faces the way you want. Delete the block right there, down 1, go up. Now get another frame motor, stand directly that way, fly above it, yeah, there. Oh, that's perfect. And so the arrows should both be pointing that way. One should have a smiley face that's regular, one should have upside down smiley face. What you need next is to get an iron panel, place it right there, and right there. Okay, get a toggle latch, turn it off. Toggle latch, turn it off. Put a battery box right there. Put 1 support frame and then another battery box. Now fill the battery boxes, fill that one first. Well, it doesn't matter because they're both turned off. BT batteries, make sure it's 5586. If it's 5585, it means they're already drained, and so it's pretty much worthless. They look exactly the same, so don't make the mistake. Then fill this up. I'll just fill it up all the way. Okay, filling it up. Okay, fill this one up. Sorry, it's taking a long time. Oh, it's empty. See, empty ones don't work. Sort of makes sense, I guess. Okay, now that we have that, it should work. So what you want to do is you want to turn that on. Should so right there. Turn that on. Should be going forward. Pretty cool. To prove to you that it's moving, I'll build that right there. See? You can also put timers so you don't have to keep pressing that. But then what you need to do, if you put like wool on this, it won't work. I'll show you why. See, look. I'll just put wool. Wool. Blue wool. Let's just do blue wool. Okay, so if you want a blue airplane, just boom, 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 boom. That's not right. See, look. Oh wait, no, that's messed up. The heck? It's mass quantity, so. Wait, what? This is screwed up. See, it also will fall off. But basically, this way is just easier. So what you do is you get frame motors. Build this up a little more. This won't really look like an airplane, but I don't care. Okay, say that's just an airplane. Looks really bad. It's a really bad airplane. Okay, so once you get that, you get panels. It doesn't matter. There's black wool panels. There's iron panels. Let's just make this like a flying hover car or something. Then just put the panels on. Click in the middle. If you see this like window, just click in the middle of it. Because if you click on the outside, it goes like that. It gets pretty annoying. Make sure on the corners that you'll see that, like that little yellow thing. Because if it looks like that, it means that it'll glitch out and it won't work, and it sucks. And then what you do is you just basically fill that out. And it takes a while, but thank you. Please subscribe or watch my other videos. Thank you.